Let's kickstart our day with a burst of flavor and nutrients for that radiant glow. First up, we have avocado toast with a twist. Creamy avocado, a sprinkle of seeds, and a dash of spice, a simple yet delicious treat for your skin. Next, dive into a berry smoothie bowl packed with antioxidants and vitamins. Blend up those berries and top it off with crunchy granola for a refreshing start. Feeling rushed? Overnight oats are your go-to. Mix oats, milk, and your favorite toppings the night before for a hassle-free morning. Craving something creamy? Indulge in a Greek yogurt parfait with layers of goodness, fruits, nuts, and honey for that extra sweetness. And last but not least, sizzle up a spinach and mushroom omelette for a protein-packed meal. Whisk those eggs and sauté those greens for a savory delight. These recipes are not only delicious, but also a treat for your skin. So, let's whip up these beautifying breakfasts and glow from the inside out.